The power of having a mentor. Having somebody by your side who can tell you where you're going wrong, can tell you what to do, can basically give you information that speeds up your journey. So many people get what a mentor is there for completely wrong. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you why I believe I'm the best mentor for people around me, what I believe a mentor should bring to the table, and basically debunk a few of the mentor myths that are out there, that if you pay someone to get mentored by, you're going to be financially free or a millionaire in the next 28 days. Right now, I'm on site at my mentor student's latest development in Sheffield. And Ollie, who is a great guy, messaged me when he was a member of the property circle and showed me this property. We actually did it on one of the property circle Zooms. And when I broke down this property for him, I think it was a bit of a realization that, hang on, Steve knows what he's talking about because that's where I'm at with it, X, Y, and Z. And then he approached me about him coming on to do a mentorship with me. So we went backwards and forwards, we had conversations, we talked about it, and we aligned, and it worked. So he has been my mentor student now for a few months. And coming to the property today to see it, it makes me very proud because he's doing things that I actually tell him to do. Now, most people, when they take a mentor on, most people don't listen. They still do what they want to do. But if you take somebody on who is your mentor and you are the mentee, you've got to listen because you're paying for that service. And your mentor should have gone through all of the things that you are asking, and that is why you chose them to be your mentor. Some of the little things that he's followed, and it makes me smile, is Howden's Kitchens. For this level of finish, Howden's is perfect. He got the offer in October and he used the offer that I always talk about where he got the appliances thrown in. He actually got the appliances upgraded on this project. He has used the doors that I like to use. He has used the radiators that I like to use. He has made sure that the radiators are floating. He's not fitted his skirting boards because he's doing his flooring first to put his skirting boards on top. He's using spotlights throughout the whole property. He has used different colour windows. He has used different colour finishes in certain areas. Everything that I've said, he has done. And the results are going to show. And then obviously the proof is in the pudding. Is it going to sell for what he wants it to sell for? Well, I'm pretty confident. Otherwise, I wouldn't have advised him on doing certain things. But again, the fact that he listens and the fact that he does what he is told to do, he's going to be successful. So do you want to give us a tour of your property and what you've done?
Yeah, so basically when I got it, these doors were both here, this was a wall. So you'd walk in, kitchen was really narrow and old, so it wasn't the best, it was well dated. So I've put a steel in up here to make this all open plan. That's had a steel in there, so this was the extension, so there's a door here. And then yeah, got the drop down LED in the living area.
And then in there, that's utility. A toilet, or is it a washroom?
So that's downstairs toilet,
yeah.
We've got the toilet, vanity unit, and then here we've got space for a washer dryer and another sink.
Did you not get that thrown in with the Howden's? Oh, it's all there with that?
All thrown in.
Okay, good.
So it's the kitchen and the utility.
This is going to be finished, what, in 6 weeks? 8 weeks?
Yeah, 6 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks.
Bigger than the third one.
Yeah, so you're coming back into the time where everybody's hopefully going to be a bit more confident. Everyone's ready to move as well now. Christmas and New Year's out of the way. So yeah.
And they've got a blank canvas to work off.
Yes.
So everything's brand new, fully rewired, replumbed.
Back to brick, wasn't it? Obviously.
Yeah, fully back to brick. So
I like it. A mentor is somebody who is going to be super hard on you. You're probably thinking, no, a mentor is supposed to make my life so much easier and give me the keys to financial freedom, give me a blueprint, give me a master plan. I am going to be rich after I've done 6 months or 12 months with a mentor. No, that's not how it works. I am going to show them how the real world is. We have black, we have white, we have the grey area in the middle. This world is not sunshine and rainbows. You need to understand it, because if you don't understand the world, you're never going to be successful, because not everything goes according to plan. Sometimes the world can just be a horrible, horrible place. And me, I like to teach people that this is the real world we live in. And if you want to be successful in this world, this is what you have to go through to get there. So let me wrap up my thoughts on mentors. It's the same comparison as if you want to buy a Ferrari, you speak to somebody who owns a Ferrari and you get all the information from them before you go and buy the Ferrari. You don't speak to somebody who drives a BMW or an Audi or a Mercedes. When you pick a mentor and you want somebody to guide you, to be there for you, you have to pick somebody who is actively doing what you want to do, or where somebody has achieved something that you are trying to achieve. People overlook the power of having a mentor. Now, me, I believe I'm a great mentor because I've achieved quite a bit in my life. And for people who are coming into the property world who are new, or people who want to expand, I am perfect, but we have to align, and you have to understand, I am not here to make you financially free in 28 days. I am not here to change your life overnight. I'm here to give you the right tools to make your life difficult, to set you up for what the future really is like. I can give you all the education, I can give you all the knowledge, but trust me, I am going to put you through a lot of suffering and pain as well to get you prepared for the real world.